कि मैं कौन हूँ, मैं क्या करती हूँ, मेरा शरीर कैसे फंक्शन करता है, ट्रांजिशन क्या होता है, मेरे प्रोनाउंस क्या यूज़ करने हैं लोगों को, मेरे आधार कार्ड में क्या लिखा है, मुझे जॉब मिलेगी या नहीं मिलेगी. बिकॉज एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पीपल आर ऑफन जज्ड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर जेंडर and not their skills. There is no right time, there is no wrong time to come out. You need to come out every day. I was beaten to anything that day. I was thrown out of my house when I was 19 years. So I used to live in that orphanage with other kids, and all of the kids in that orphanage were HIV positive. जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. So if the world is hearing me, I am Pranav Boxer Grover. I am a transgender woman. मैं दिल्ली में रहती हूँ. I am a working professional. I am a model. I am an animal rights activist. Less of an activist, more of a rescuer. I believe that compassion does not have to be labeled when it comes to gender, when it comes to your love towards them. And I'm an all-rounder. I come from a typical patriarchal पंजाबी फैमिली. I'm born and brought up in Delhi. तो मेरे आसपास का जो कल्चर मैंने बड़े होते हुए देखा है was completely different to what we are living in 2026 right now. My childhood was fun. It was nice. ये जो puberty वाली एज होती है आपकी, I think for every queer person or for any person in general is very very difficult to understand because there are just so many changes happening with your mental health, with your physical appearances, with your voice, with your school, with your society, with your surroundings. Everything just changes when you turn 12 or 13, be it for a boy, be it for a girl. And I believe for people like me, जो दोनों binaries में कहीं settle नहीं हो पाए, उनके लिए तो it is just so confusing that the world would shift upside down. You need to come out every day as a queer person. And as a trans person, you need to come out every damn day. कि मैं कौन हूँ, मैं क्या करती हूँ, मेरा शरीर कैसे फंक्शन करता है, ट्रांजिशन क्या होता है, मेरे प्रोनाउंस क्या यूज़ करने हैं लोगों को, मेरे आधार कार्ड में क्या लिखा है, मुझे जॉब मिलेगी या नहीं मिलेगी. बिकॉज एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पीपल आर ऑफन जज्ड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर जेंडर एंड नॉट देयर स्किल्स. अ लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज डू दैट, बट इट्स फाइन. जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. बट ऑल्सो वन थिंग दैट इज सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर क्वेयर पीपल इन इंडिया इज टू डेट, इज टू फाइंड लव. यू आर एन आउट एंड प्राउड पर्सन. पूरी दुनिया मेरे बारे में जानती है. बट आई एम विद द पर्सन और आई एम विद द मैन हु इज डिस्क्रीट अपने माँ बाप के डर से कि रात को उसको रहना मेरे साथ है, दिन में उसको लड़की का हाथ थाम के चलना है. सो दैट इज समथिंग इज व्हेन यू कम आउट एवरी डे. यू लिव योर क्लोजेटेड लाइफ एवरी सिंगल डे विद दैट मैन. कि जस्ट बिकॉज वो अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहा तो मुझे उसे सिखाना पड़ेगा कि तुझे अपने आप से प्यार कैसे करना है. इट्स कमिंग आउट ऑल टुगेदर अगेन. But I believe मैं वो सारा कुछ अब क्रॉस करके आ चुकी हूँ and I'm finally with a man who loves me like anything. So I think I finally found that perfect life partner after all of those traumas and trauma. When I used to look in the mirror earlier in the days when I was in school, I was of course a boy. I used to look like a boy, had mustache, still have some. I used to have beard, boy cut hair, पूरा टूटी फ्रूटी जैसा फेस, बम्पी पिंपल्स एंड ऑल ऑयली. आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट लुक इन द मिरर एंड से इससे बुरा कोई कैसे ही दिख सकता है. मतलब इससे गंदी चीज़ मैंने अपनी लाइफ में कभी देखी ही नहीं है. इमेजिन अ पर्सन सेइंग दैट टू हिमसेल्फ कि इससे गंदी चीज़ भगवान बना ही नहीं सकता है. दैट सेल्फ हेटेड वाला जो जर्नी है, so horrible. It's so, you are insecure of your own self because you are conditioned in a way that everybody hates you. So when I had no friends, I had nobody, I had no place I could call my own. After my school, I used to go and sit in front of a stray dog in my block. Her name was Cookie. She was a black color stray dog and she used to just sit there. I used to just go and sit next to her and talk to her about my day. I used to just tell her कि आज मैंने अपने गेम्स पीरियड में अपने स्केटिंग टीचर पे क्रश किया and I really did not have anybody to even sit and have lunch with. मैंने खाना भी नहीं खाया. I threw it away because मेरे को डर लग रहा था कि जैसे मैं खाना खा रही हूँ लोग मुझे देख के हंसेंगे कि ये कैसे खाना खाता है. तो मैंने नहीं खाया आज. I never planned to come out to my family. Never did. Because growing up for every queer person, कहीं ना कहीं आपको एक आइडिया हो जाता है कि even if you try to come out one day, how would your parents react? बिकॉज अगर आपके टीवी में, मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया में कुछ भी ऐसी चीज़ आती है विच इज़ लिटिल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम वॉट वी सी अराउंड, एक रिएक्शन आपके पेरेंट्स का ऑब्वियसली आता है कि ये कैसे लोग अपनी गंदगी फैला रहे हैं, अपना मजाक उड़वा रहे हैं स्टेज पे जाके एंड वॉट नॉट। सो कहीं ना कहीं वो एक आइडिया हो जाता है। सो आई डिड गेट एन आइडिया कि भैया ये इंसान तो मुझे ज़िंदगी में कभी एक्सेप्ट करेगा ही नहीं करेगा। ऑल दैट आई एम ड्रीमिंग शुड जस्ट स्टे विद मी इन हियर, मतलब मेरे कानों के बीच में ही रहना चाहिए। वो यहाँ से बाहर गया तो मैं ख़त्म हुआ, आई एम डेड। आई वॉज दैट स्कैर्ड, आई वॉज दैट फियरफुल ऑफ माई फैमिली कि भैया ये तो मुझे खुद ही मार देंगे। बट आई वॉज कॉट that my family got to know about me in the most unavoidable circumstances. Let's just stick to that. And I was beaten to anything that day, anything. So my dad used to often come and also ask me after that incident कि अब तो तू normal हो गया है ना, अब तो तू बीमार नहीं है ना, अब तो तू वैसे गंदे thoughts तो नहीं रखता ना, उस गंदगी में तो नहीं है ना. There was a voice inside my head which said कि गंदगी? You fell in love with my mom. That was your choice. If I choose to love with a man, shouldn't that be my choice? But that was just a voice in my head. It just never spoke. From outside, I was saying, "नहीं पापा, मैं नहीं हूँ." 2 days after I turned 18, my parents separated. I came from a house and I came from a family which had a lot of domestic violence and abuse and everything. And we've grown up watching that. मेरी माँ के ऊपर भी, मेरे ऊपर भी. It was just happening all over the place. So they parted ways. I was the most closest to my mom because she used to understand me. But then, even she didn't take me. It's fine. Now I realize why she didn't. And मुझे पता है कि मैंने 2021 कैसे निकाला है. Only I know that. I used to just lock myself in my room, which really didn't have any privacy. But I kept myself there and I used to just limitedly, talk to my family or even have a conversation with them. But before my parents parted, I think the best thing that my dad did in his life was get me my baby, my son, my boxer. He is a 6-year-old Labrador who kind of changed my life. During that time of this self-hatred wala version, I was suicidal every day of my life for good 3-4 years. There was this one particular night when I was doing it. I was like, I'm done. I don't have anybody. I need to go. At least I'll have somebody over. I'll have my God. And it was 2 in the night. It was 2nd June. That I had a cutter in my hand. And he just came out of the blue. He's a very alsi kutta, but he still woke up somehow. I don't know. There was no voice. He came. He just sat next to me and kept his paw on my thigh. And that stopped me. So he saved me, and that gave me the inspiration to save many others. I realized that animals in India are equally neglected as my community. दोनों के पास ये rights नहीं है. ये दोनों को उनके rights exercise करने का मौका भी नहीं मिलता. That is why I chose to stand up for them. But I was still not fine. I was thrown out of my house when I was 19 years. My mom didn't take me, my dad threw me out. I really had no place to go. So there was this orphanage which adopted me. So I used to live in that orphanage with other kids. And all of the kids in that orphanage were HIV positive. So I used to live with them. I just don't know what happened in those 2 months of me staying there. And when I left that orphanage and me and my mom decided that we'll start a life of our own, we moved in together. That is where my journey really started. Because that is the time that I stepped out in the world. I was in denial for all my life. I thought that I'm straight. I am not straight. Then I thought I'm bisexual. I was not bisexual. Then I thought I'm gay. I was not gay. Then I thought I'm non-binary. Then I was not non-binary. And now that I realize I'm a woman, I am finally at peace. But coming out for a queer person in India happens every day, and especially for a trans person and a trans woman, because I am visibly out there. I am just evidently queer for people. Many queer people could hide behind the heteronormity that the society has set for them. ठीक है, हर इंसान का, there is no right time, there is no wrong time to come out. There is always a time when you believe it is the time to come out. But मेरी मानो तो जो लोग ये चीज़ अभी सुन रहे हैं, चाहे वो मेरे से छोटे हैं, बड़े हैं, कम आउट व्हेन यू आर फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट, सो दैट अगर कल को तुम्हारे माँ बाप तुम्हें घर से बाहर फेंकेंगे भी, यू हैव योर रिसोर्सेज, तुम्हें दर दर भटकना नहीं पड़ेगा मेरी तरह. बट वॉट डू आई हियर एज अ ट्रांस पर्सन एवरी डे? आई वेक अप, I compliment myself in the mirror, I get ready, I go out, and I'm often asked by people who are curious about my body कि आपकी टांगों के बीच में क्या है, आपकी छाती के पीछे क्या है. I am being माधुरी, आपकी चोली के पीछे क्या है? I've been asked every day, and I'm like, दिल जो तेरे पास नहीं है, because I have the heart to not ask questions that I don't need the answers for. But everybody is just so curious, so I do give them an answer. I'm like, ठीक है, अगर मैं नहीं समझाऊंगी तो ये हमेशा curious रहेंगे, ये harmful और stupid questions पूछेंगे और लोगों को वो और trigger होंगे, ये गाली खाएंगे और किसी को किसी का जवाब नहीं मिलेगा, तो उसका सवाल तो वही रह जाएगा. So I'm like, दिल पे पत्थर रख के मैं थोड़ा सा इनकी help कर देती हूँ. I started sensitizing even corporates in that matter कि ठीक है, you want a workplace which is inclusive, I'll tell you how to do that. And there's one small key step on how you do that. You don't put people on a pedestal. You treat people equally. How do you believe that I'm different from you when you and I eat the same food? When you and I breathe the same air? हम दोनों को हमारी माँ ने सेम तरीके से पैदा किया है, हम सेम ही जगह पे रह रहे हैं. But I am different from you in a way because I am a daredevil who can choose to love somebody who I wish to love, be it a man, be it a woman. I do not have to worry about what people think of me. You do. I don't. I choose to live my life freely and not under barriers and stereotypes like you do. So that's the only thing that's different between you and me, and the way we think.